utie na so wa kwanya no a bra Akoma control fee osime suma no mani eboa osima the monkey says my eye is my god say utie ya na say one drive on kwan dia yes rebra Facebook now so be read so dia say now so read bi ebi kura na ye yabon so but to the who read dia so dia say now we wa control fee usuma no ene dia anyway exhibit number 2 na ya that's a password dia to so
paragraph 6.7
paragraph 6.7 or say the committee o meka ne brofo na waka nitwi ana na ya chim
ebia said the why ya sa wa
the committee
wa kan wa sa chire wadi sa na de asiase na de ne duru hai o
sa me brentem the committee is the committee. The committee is of the view without any prejudice. The committee is of the view that the conduct of the respondent that is equally
someone say restricted na
katadi so be on the restricted because equally in the category of conduct described as stated misbehavior under Article 146 of the Constitution. That's the way refer to.
Yes.
The transfer of Mr. Baden.
Already.
Keyword near unjustifiable.
Yes. Already. Yadi can say. Ghana Constitution Article 1461. A catch the near ma.
Patria boho. 146.
146. One. A clear. Eniema ebetime gina so a justice of the superior court or a chairman of the regional tribunal or say shall not be removed
shall say ade no by force
yes from office except for stated misbehavior
or misconduct
or incompetence or on grounds of inability to perform the functions of his office arising from infirmity of body or mind.
And nature say we no ba ko na che no. Eno ye
stated misbehavior.
And incompetence na che no. Ba misbehavior and na che no. Infirmity ne hum ne oni dem. Ne hum ba bia touch ma. And incompetence one state who say incompetence. Ne mo misbehavior. It needs no che no. All right. Yanko 7.5 paragraph 7.5 or say the committee is of the opinion that the action and conduct of the Chief Justice falls within the meaning and categories of stated misbehavior as provided under Article 146 clause 1 of the Constitution 1992.
Any account was
okay.
Now the next one no a beginning another grounds.
Yes.
And no a appointment of judges to the Supreme Court.
Anyway.
I don't know the next one. This is the third one.
Paragraph 9.5.
Yes, 9.5.
However, the Chief Justice, Chief Justice, and Liga Brofo, cannot lay claim to ignorance of nomination process and procedure. Not as I said, John, acquire your first so send you the can no. Eyi enkrofo and I say eyi enim the four call your court to see near the Superior Court of Judicature. That's the Supreme Court, no. On Timin Kase Unim. Ekwan fa so de omoko Sir John I say papa yi papa ya na say we parliamentary candidate maybe etwa amoko ye we anyway we dem ba
Mr. Opa
me ba
wo cheche nsimu
we dem ba me ba no Sir John we say ha no ye nya entwanchia ye be ka no se na etie notwithstanding the fact that the process and procedure are not spelled out in the Constitution but case law no na make say there is a case here the Ghana Bar Association and others versus Attorney General 2015-2016 in fact no kwasem ni minya brenkan ye enra me hwehwe ebie mu evansinkum na doso ti me manya kwan ankoma ankohwe de wo na emum de me mete ase bi ni say
yɛwɔ processor yɛde nominate obi
ya no matwi na do
yɛwɔ nhyehyɛeɛ a ɛda hɔ yɛde hwɛ sɛ yɛbɔ obi din anaasɛ yɛde obi din kɔma mampanin sɛ asomasi
ana ɔbɛnten
ɛsɛ fata sɛ ɔkɔ na ɔkɔsom ɛwɔ Supreme Court na saa nhyehyɛeɛ no wohwɛ mu a Ghana Bar Association a ɛno no yɛ Ghana ha mmaranimfoɔ wɔn ekuo a wɔn dɔm ɛwɔ mu bi ɛna Attorney General nso so ɛwɔ mu bi saa nipa yi nyinaa no te sɛ deɛ mampanin petition kɔɛ na nka mampanin se petition aba me consulte Council of State me jampia no na ma set up committee say na tie say the constitution ka no but we no or say almost 13 no in our constitution do both say we are making reference to any of the articles the 1992 constitution name almost say there is
a precedent
a case law and no na makan Ghana Bar Association and others versus Attorney General Chief Justice entimi mu na nimu so say onim because ane man nyina kokopie mo Supreme Court
eti yedi kan ka kire omo unjustifiably ya transfer omo say and case law wo ho
yes this case
and a case study wo ho
yes
we case study wo ho eti wo throw petition ni wa no akotu former Chief Justice Torkonoo versus committee
we need versus committee we be petition
on the committee
no, but this one case petition ankasa was between Daniel Ofori versus
Chief Justice former Chief Justice say say the committee na do report by
but case nankasa there said the way the omudi no Supreme Court but Supreme Court di am but where this was a case between Daniel Ofori
friend of the court
Attorney General
friend of the court you know sir legal term can I say
amicus curiae
we are amicus curiae
yeah because you want here no pay
friend of the court
I you want here baby no pay we man ko wie kra ama ya to so
amicus curiae o dey banti obi a ya transfer non justifiably no ono so throw petition enko say na the Chief Justice no so they say say obi so transfer obi unjustifiably on for a yade enko no nti yekoyedim the amicus curiae the appointment of the Chief Justice herself as a justice of the Supreme Court went through the very process and procedure set out in the Ghana Bar Association case it we say no say confirm the kind so no ankasa kra no tamwa ye de no ABC so as a Chief Justice no e pass it through procedure it ya dentina one also selecting Crawford to the Superior Court of Judicature a Supreme Court no and pass it through the process due process and ameboa me das now yanko yedim therefore hey sabrofu school pa na me pe therefore
hey twasonam there
therefore and has no
your 3 minutes
I be call me be call time idea
3 minutes yeah the answer here the sum
therefore to seek wittingly to outwit this known process and procedure for appointing Supreme Court justices amount to misbehavior in the eyes of the committee and the committee finds it as such. I deal with say me who say executive ne so amwa say omutimi establish a prima facie against and omunya nyina so bi e de mani botia ye Chief Justice the former president ne so amwa because you also serve as a check who say makase tamwa papa ya ye friend no John Locke the separation of powers by ya Baron de Montesquieu the modern exposition of separation of powers by you know what now say adwene ho say there be power corrupt absolute power corrupt absolutely so enti oye no se there be enipa ne ne omo eyade no yemfa bibi obeye se obekuntan yemfa bibi e fra no checks and balances emra enti se judiciary it take a decision bia it is subject to review by the executive it is even Justice Torkonoo kra no ye ne selection no say na fall within the remit of the law nanka wasenka president no twena adwenye dey
enti o share response
enti ho no so there was an error
Torkonoo de call ya o say oh we dey senka enye yibia enu na omo kan wasem no say oh we dey kenya yibia senka me de call ya nanka mampani mpre so a mampani be reject but forgetting say mampani no bia on konkohwe say wo consult Ghana ba attorney general ka ho bi and the process also go through why the mampani so we had say what the aba no so forward now the next process
mampani kura no said even within the
Chief Justice said he say we'll go through the due process
and within the executive arm na kura no checks and balance kakra so wo ho Council of State
exactly
it is a mampani kura no so en na eye na nifa so a adit na Council of State so anka say procedure no from so kakra wo hunti yenhwe mu yie so you see rubber stamp rubber stamp entina Sir John na mebusa say he unim metiase unim Sir John na me very worried ebeto abonchen say one of the justices were a parliamentary candidate for a particular party. I was worried.
Yeah
I was worried. Seriously, I was worried. Okay. Sir John, the committee commended your removal in the following terms. In view of the findings of the committee in paragraph 1934, what can we?
Paragraphs 1.9, 3.4, 6.7.
On the basis of that, you know, President Mapito President letter to so. I feel near Drew.
Bono tofa.
I'm a bono tofa. Now, for 30 seconds. Now, me I conclude. 30 seconds for Ojon Wadaroma. Now, me
warrant of removal.
The president letter on also Troye. Ede to Edema Torkonoo. Emma no be yes say the uni hobi uni. I said now therefore know ye all men.
Biblical.
Can for that do. Know ye all men that I, John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, in pursuance of the said Article 146 Clause 9, do hereby remove the said Justice Gertrude Araba Isaba Saki Torkonoo from the office of the Chief Justice and Justice of the Supreme Court with effect from the date hereof. In witness whereof, I have hereunto set my hand and caused the presidential seal to be affixed at Accra this 1st of September 2025. Not just
after this one, then the status as suspended Chief Justice no, or move from her to a former Chief Justice. 30 seconds. Wrap up.
Sir John, the mechanic 30 seconds. The mechanic say enema ye reading na ya kenkan nyina no. Eye no kwasem say maame no ye ya. The omni say entwa ye. Enye issue of yen temper justice with mercy there because we here court assembly can judiciary assembly can no. Eho no ye frɛ omo it we help be a if be my worship. My lordship. So there's his worship eho no enfum sequence enfum so ba ho. Because the moment a very sensitive area say elusi public trust na yewu.
Okay.
Yaka bia be say yenko street in so. Enti but yako ye ni wo kan bi. A set precedence. Enti no de yenhwe ani mu say dachi bia no.
Yes.
Ebi betimi asi. Na mom no say ensi a whoever become the next Chief Justice no. So ye niema yie. Na sa ototo ni niema yie. I mean there's equity, there's fairness, say or your position na say or war substance. No dey on no case, no in the case go court ye diamano. So there's no unjustifiable transfers. So that's why say niema we ni mu nyina no a menyin ni say even the next administration say ko ba say MPP mpo na eba power bi wa o make us okay because of say Torkonoo ye ni free ho nti no yenso so ye be yi wa free ho
me da se pi ma yenko ye nim na me nua ba akwa say friend Eric Prenya or say John, good morning, I am watching you live from a village called Denchekrom Boame.
Then Chokrum is a central region.
Or see, every day my father, Prenya, and I Prenya, and his wife listen to your show every day here at Dentra Chrome Boame. So please, every day mention their names and greet them. My name is Eric Prenya. Yes, and have a nice day and nice job.
We love them.
But Eric, you see, one thing I will so I'm want to say.
Yeah.
One for Oma Midiama. O Papa na so the Prenya. For Oma Midin kan Eric, me that say. Boy enjoy. I say the law is the law, and it's the law, and it will continue to be the law. Yes. Befi Adwato said the president has committed no wrong under the law, but respectfully, the charges are flimsy and not substantial to remove the CJ. Now, the CJ's office, it's continuous with the government in power, but Kwetia will fall back to MPP. Okay, no. And we say so here, Oyibo Boatin, or say, or a member of the media, yes, patriots. Or say the IGP and his team should intensify security at Akwatia today to avoid any violence and tension at various polling stations. We need free, fair, transparent, credible election. Greetings to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Justice Kodia from Pon and others. Or the Nuswaba. And then I'm over 54,000 voters, right?
Yes.
Over 54,000 voters.
Yes.
In about 119 polling stations and on Betraba. But before you go on, you be sure me important mun so kakra nsana. Ya kwa Akwatia. So nti enano ya di we na si de aka bia no. Say de kan no. Ababa ye president se beboa na a guide in subsequent discussions in the Lookman, I'll say good morning, Sir John, to you and your team. Watching you live from Ayija Zongo, kudos for the great job you are doing. Now, Enra Evans, adeɛ wei yɛde ho nkɔmmɔ pɛn yɛhyɛ daa de one day ɛyɛ education wɔ ho but ɛyɛ dɛn a da biara no nkurɔfoɔ bɛtie ebi nso ntie na aberanteɛ no a wabɛgyina hɔ no munyini mfiri hɔ na mo focus